Now, the table below shows the average retail price for petrol and diesel in 12 European countries. The values are given in cent per litre. So does everybody understand that the cost of petrol in France is 151 cents, which is the same thing as €1.51? Everybody cool with that? Now, which country had the lowest diesel price on June 2014? Latvia at 126. Which country had the highest petrol price? Norway with how much?
It's 193.
That is a rip-off, 193.
Norway probably occurs.
One country had a different trend for petrol and diesel prices in 2014 compared to the other countries. Name this country and explain the difference.
Great Britain.
Great Britain. Why was Great Britain slightly different?
The diesel was more expensive than petrol.
Only country where diesel is more expensive than petrol. That's a good answer. Great Britain. Diesel more expensive than petrol. Okay, you ready? Calculate the mean petrol price for 12 European countries in June 2014. Huh? Calculate the mean price of petrol. So I'm going to get all the petrols. Everybody see them? And what am I going to do there?
We add them all together.
Going to add them all together.
1,196.
Okay, now you do understand you'd write down that you're adding them all together. You'd write down all the numbers, yeah? So we're adding all of these yellow numbers together. Is everybody happy with that? So to get a temp mark at least, what I want you to do is write down what you get again, 1,000?
896.
1,896. And what you divide that by?
12.
And what you get?
158.
158 cents. How many people got that? Right, Paul 3. So that probably means you're right. Okay. Fred said that the petrol price in Germany is nearest to the mean petrol price. Pat says the petrol price in Sweden is nearest to the mean petrol price. Which person is correct? Look for Germany and Sweden. Where's Germany? Where's Sweden? Sweden is 165. And what's Germany?
157.
157. Germany. Why is it Germany?
It's 1 cent off the mean petrol price.
1 cent off mean price. And Sweden was 8 cents away, wasn't it?
Yeah.
At 165. Now, can everybody explain the following terms? Numerical discrete, what does that mean? Numerical discrete, anybody in the class? Take a wild guess. Yes, Bill.
It's like how many times a day do you do this?
It's like how many goals you scored in a match. You scored 1 or 2 goals. You can't score 1.5 goals. Do you understand? So it's either one or the other.
You can't score like the same amount every day.
No, not like that. It's like there's no half measures. How many humans are in the class? 10. You can't say 9.5 or 7.5. It doesn't work that way. Do you got it? That's discrete data. Categorical is measured. Do you understand? Oh, sorry my fault. Numerical continuous is a measurement. For example, I say I'm 6 foot tall. Is that correct?
No.
Why is it not correct?
Because you got, but after 6 foot, then there's other numbers.
There's measurements.
Yeah.
You're never 6 foot exactly. Do you understand? So continuous data is never exactly what it says it is. It's measured. Okay. I say I'm 80 kilograms. No, I'm not. I'm 79.9987, whatever it is. Alright, categorical nominal. What does categorical mean?
You can put in the category.
What?
Most of the year, or like days of the week.
There's an order to that.
Yeah.
What's your favourite football team? Man United, Liverpool, Chelsea. There's no order. Well, ordinal would mean there's actually an order.
Yeah.
What grade did you get your last test? A, B, C, D, E. What type of house do you live in? 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, 5 bedroom. Yeah? Yes, Bill?
Categorical will not be like how many like times a week do you do this, and it goes like 1 to 5.
That's numerical.
Would it be numerical discrete or numerical continuous?
Numerical discrete because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times you do something in a week? Yeah, yeah. You either did it or you didn't do it.
Would that be like, because you know the thing where you like, if you take the box for like 1 to 5, would it be?
Oh, that doesn't come into this part. Charlie.
Well, I think I asked you this question before when we had this, but what would it go under, like, the if you had the population density of a country, what would that go under?
Population density?
Yeah.
How many people per...
That's exact.
That'd be, it's an average, so you can have a decimal place there, so it'll be sort of a measurement, so it'll be
But it's
continuous.
continuous is at the same time.
It's discrete and continuous, I put it under continuous.
Wait.
You're not going to get asked anything that difficult.
But
That, yeah?
For that, how could there be a decimal with people?
Can we stick to the easier stuff? You know, if you're making it really hard on yourself, well, it's actually a much lower level than what you're trying to experiment with here. So what I'm trying to say is favourite vegetable, what's that? Categorical. Which one?
Or no?
There's no order.
Categorical, nominal.
Categorical nominal for the first one. Everybody right with that? What's the second one? Age.
Numerical, continuous.
Continuous, because you're not 10 years old, you're 10 years old and a
Couple of days.
couple of days. Yes.
When you're writing this is what I did. I only put in the it's like numerical or categorical.
You put both of them, you put
Okay.
categorical nominal in there and you put in, you write the full thing. Number of times per week a person eats a healthy meal. You either eat the meal or you don't.
Numerical, discrete.
Numerical discrete. Does everybody get that and match up my colour with the circle? So that's what you write in there, yeah? Now, Jane conducts a survey in town. She surveyed a random number of people using a questionnaire.
So can you do that in an exam, like you circle the thing and then you do
No, you just write it in. Alright. Jane conducts a survey in her town. She surveyed a number of random people by means of a questionnaire. Write down 2 ways in which the survey using a questionnaire can be carried out. Any ideas? Kenny?
Conduct survey in one of the
What?
conduct a survey in one of
Over the phone?
website.
Website. You can do it on a website. Questionnaire on a website. You can do it over there. Phone, or you could meet people outside the local supermarket or whatever and do the questionnaire there. Yes? That's how you get.
well, like it's a survey in the town, so she can knock to, you know, like the estates and.
Yeah, you should knock around. Bill?
You send them in post.
Send them in the post. Postal. Yeah, all logical. Jane wants to know which vegetable people like the most. One question or survey is what vegetables do you like? What vegetables do you like? Explain why this is not a good question.
Specific.
It's not specific enough. It's like vegetables plural, not vegetable. So you should ask for what is your one favourite vegetable, right? Right, better question. What is your favourite vegetable? Not plural, just one. And you can specify just one answer, please. Just one. And that's it. Charlie?
Like, could you say, do you like vegetables?
That won't give you the vegetable you like the most. You want what specific vegetable? What is the name of the vegetable you like most? Barry?
Could you say what vegetable do you like then?
What?
Never mind.
Okay.
So could you just say which vegetables you like the most after the sentence there? Could you just say which vegetables you like the most?
Yeah. Which vegetable do you like the most? Yes?
For explaining why it's not a good question, could you say it's forced onto you, like, it's not really like...
Do you like vegetables?
Yeah, it's like, do you like what
Oh
vegetable?
yeah, that's a good point. A better question might be, if you like vegetables,
Yeah.
which vegetable, what is the name of the vegetable you like the most? Good point. Stem and leaf diagram. How many people did she survey? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I count 18 people. How many did you have? 13? 18. Sorry, I'm here, Scott. 18 people. Great. Just while we're here, I don't know if we get asked this question or not. 18 people. Are you asked the median in this question? Are we actually asked that?
Yeah.
Great. Alright. How many people did you survey? 18. What's the range? The tallest, the biggest one minus the smallest one. 79 minus 15, which is 64. Next one. Oh, we already did that, didn't we? Okay. What is the mode of the data? The most common answer. What answer comes up the most?
43.
43. 3 times. So 43 is the mode. What's the next question after that?
Find the median age.
Sorry?
Find the median age.
Find the median age. Now, here's a question. When you have an odd number of people, example, 5 people, who's the middle? Huh? Number 3 is the middle. How do you calculate that? You divide 5 by 2, you get 2.5, and you round
Yeah.
up to
But
3.
visually, you can just see it anyway.
Okay. What's the middle of 111 people?
5 by 2.
You gotta visualise that one.
So it's not over.
So, you divide 111 by 2, 55, so you round up to 56. So you can visualise small numbers, but visualising the large numbers, not going to happen. Okay, now, what happens if you have an even number as 18 people? Is there a middle 1 or a middle 2?
You find the average of the two.
2 in the middle. So there's 18 people, which means there's 2 people in the middle. Which are the 2 people that are in the middle? 18 divided by 2 gives you 9, so it's 9 and 10. Get the average of the 9th and 10th. Where is number 9 and number 10?
38.2.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 38 plus 42 divided by 2?
Yeah, 39.5. Sorry, no, it's just 40. I think.
40. The age of another person who is 51 years of age is added to the stem and leaf diagram. Find the median of the new data. So if he's 51, where is he located? It'll be sort of like 1, 2 and 5. Would you agree with that? How many people is there now? 19. If there's 19, there's only a middle 1. What's 19 divided by 2? 19 divided by 2? 9.5 rounded up. It's the 10th person. Who's the 10th person?
42.
42. 42. Everybody right with that? Or did you get that right? Now, axis of symmetry.
Down the centre across.
Yeah, so smart. One here,
Yeah.
one there, one there.
And across.
I'll move that one slightly in a second. How many axes of symmetry are we looking at there?
5.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 axes of symmetry. The lines in the diagrams are straight. Mark with the arrows a pair of parallel lines in the diagram. Parallel lines, anybody?
Top and bottom line.
Top and bottom. Mark with the letter R a right angle in the diagram. Everybody right with that? Name the type of angle. What's angle A?
Cute.
Acute. Angle B?
Reflexive.
Reflex. Good, everybody know those names? Acute and reflex. Aaron, find the angle, this angle here, how'd you do that?
You add 42 and 36 and take away from 128.
Same thing as what I'm doing here, what you get?
102.
Good man. This one here, Barry?
You add 128 and 1
Yeah.
Take it away from 360.
And what you get?
143. 143.
143. Okay. Next one. What's A called? Who said it? A tangent, a line that touches it only
There.
once. B?
Circumference.
B, no, it's the arc. See, it says B goes from, B's not the, if it was the circumference, it would be the full thing. Yeah? But an arc is when it only does a little bit of it.
Yeah, I didn't see the arcus.
Okay, so B is an arc. What do you get for C?
Radius.
It doesn't specify that stop, so I'd say diameter or radius would be allowed. I'll go with diameter because it doesn't tell me where it starts and ends.
Would that the line if it was?
Yeah, it'd be something like that maybe. D.
Chord.
What? Chord.
What's the use of the chord or what's the right?
What?
What's the chord about?
There's uses for it in the leaving cert math. It's just when you take a slice of it, and it starts and ends on the circle, but it's not a diameter or anything like that. Okay. Okay, guys, this one here, number 10. How many €2 coins do I have?
8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many €1 coins do I have?
2.
2. How many 50-cent coins do I have?
Radius.
Anybody else?
Yeah.
8. Has everybody done the tally marks properly?
I didn't do tally marks, I just did numbers.
So tally, I want you to do tally marks, okay?
How can you know what it was?
The word tally.
Oh.
Anything else? 20-cent coins?
5.
6.
6. How do you check if you're right or wrong? If you add them all up together, what should you get?
You should get the original number of the difference.
24.
Coins of it.
Just count up
Just
the chords.
yeah, there's 6 per row and there's 4 rows, which is?
24.
Do we get 24? When we add all these down? When we add all those coins together, do we get 24? We do. So we have a rough idea we're right, yeah?
So I did, because I didn't do the tally, I didn't, when I did the frequency, I did it in percent. So I had like 33%, 9%, 33%, 25%.
Okay, yeah, I didn't ask you to do that just yet.
That one.
How many coins did she save? 24. I'll move on to the next pie chart, yeah. Now this is something I really want you to zone in on because this goes wrong a lot.
Yeah, I didn't.
It just goes wrong so much. Can't tell you how much this one goes wrong. Okay, it's just because it takes a bit of concentration and people just don't really like doing that. Right, now here's what we're going to do. We have several sections. We have €2 coins, we have €1 coin, and we have, what's it, 50 cents and 20 cents. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to find what fractions of the coins are €2. 8 coins out of?
8 comes out at 24 cents, 33%.
Okay, next one?
It's 112.
2 out of 24, 1/12. Next one?
7,
8 out of 24, and the last one?
25, 54.
25% or 6 out of 24. How do we convert them into angles?
Turn into percent. Actually, no.
Not into percentage, Kelly?
Multiply by 760.
Multiply by 360. 360 degrees is 100%. And you want to find out what angle would represent these fractions. So you always multiply to turn it into degrees by 360. Kenny, what do you get for each section?
For 3 I got 1.
Huh?
I got 1.
120?
4%.
120 degrees.
124.
No,
No,
it's
it's not
120.
It's 120 degrees.
Yeah.
Try that out again. It's actually 120 degrees. The next one, 30 degrees. The one after that, 120 degrees. And the one after that, 90 degrees. If you use your calculator, guys, try the first one even. 8 out of 24 multiplied by 360. 120 degrees. Let's stop here. Action is the middle, yeah? So where do you start? You get your protractor out. This guy here. And you now start measuring some angles. Okay, let's scale this down a wee bit. Okay. Now, what happens is the first one, I'm dead centre. Does everybody agree with that? Dead centre. Push that out a little bit. So you put your crosshairs sort of like a sniper rifle, isn't it? With the target. You put it there, and now you measure off. We'll start with 30 degrees or 120 degrees, whatever you want. Start with 30. See the 30 there? 30 is the same as 150. 30 degrees up from 180. Yeah? So then you draw a line going straight across. Then you draw a line going up to the 30. That's your first one done. Yeah? Next thing you do is you spin it around so that it's now level with the one you just drew. Yeah? See the way it's level with the one you just drew? Now you're going to draw 120 degrees. Where's 120 degrees? If I'm starting here, it's going to be in here and it's going to be out the other side somewhere. Where should I put it? Around there for 120, yeah? Now I am exactly dead centre there, so I'll go again. 120 round there. Yeah? Now I'll have to draw another 120, don't I? So I spin it all the way down and it's back at 0 again. See that? I draw another 120. And where's the 120 this time? Around there, isn't it? And now all of a sudden it's 120 degrees, 120 degrees, 90 degrees and 30 degrees. And what's each one representing? €2,
50 cents.
50 cents, 20 cents and €1. We'll stop it here. Any